Welcome back to Low Stress Math with Mrs. Bono. We are in Lesson 2, translating 1 and 2-step equations. We've already practiced some translations back in Recall Prior Knowledge. We used all of these words, and now we're going to put them into 1 and 2-step equations instead of expressions. All right, so review some common phrases in problem solving together with the operations they represent. So for addition, it's add some more than. That word than reverses the order. Increase by, that's fine. Exceeds, in all, total, gain, plus. Subtract, difference, less than. More than and less than. I'm going to put a little star here because those two reverse the order. Decreased by, diminished by, minus, fewer, reduced. Subtract from. There is another one. Put a star there, reverses order. Multiply by, of. Of shows up so often. Product, times, double, twice, triple. Divide, quotient. Divide equally. Per, ratio of. Interesting. Of is in multiply and divide. Ratio's the key there. Equal is the same, equivalent, the result is. Total very often acts like an equal sign. All right. When translating, remember, more than, less than, fewer than, subtracted from, always reverses the order. So here's my examples. 7 subtracted from is x minus 7. 5 more than x, x plus 5. Be careful. Okay, let's do some problems. Here we go. A number increased by 3 is 19. Create a let statement. A let statement lets the person know what variable you're going to be using. I like n and x, but today I'm going to use x. Use n. Let n equal a number. So start with a let statement. Translate into an equation. Number increased by 3 is 19. Each word is a symbol or a number. A number, n, increased by, that's plus, 3, is equal number. Solve the equation for the variable. Minus 3 from both sides. We get n equals 16. Ta-da! The product of a number, of 9 and a number, is 45. Product is multiply. So let n equal a number. 9n is 45. Divide by 9 and equals 5. Put a box around it because you're done. A number divided by 6. Let n equal a number. Always start with that let statement. Seriously. Remember, in algebra, you write it as a fraction. Be careful. Is 18. The opposite of divide by 6, I'm going to use a red pen, is multiply by 6. When it's next to a letter, you don't have to put parentheses, but when it's not, you do. Okay. 6 divided by 6 is 1n equals 18 times 6. Well, let's see. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 60 is 108. I think. Yes, it is. Okay. So put a box around it. You're done. 3 less than a number is equal to 13. Let n equal a number. Starting with that. Okay. 3 less than. Less than switches. That phrase is a switcher. Number minus 3 is equal to 13. Add 3 to both sides. and n equals 16. Now, I could go back and check them, but the directions didn't tell me to do that, and I am lazy. All right, checkpoint 1. That's your classwork. Start it right now. Turn off the video and do these problems. I'm serious. Turn off your video. Don't wait for me to do it for you. All right, welcome back. Step 1, create a let statement. Step 2, translate into an equation. Step 3, solve. I'm going to solve them because I want solutions. I like solutions. All right. Start with let n equal a number. N plus 17 is 25 minus 17 from both sides. N equals 8. Okay, not horrible. Let n equal a number. Seven n is 28. Divide both sides by 7, and n equals 4. All right, not too bad so far. The difference of a number and 7 is 30. Let n equal a number. And yes, you do have to write a let statement every single time. I'm sorry, just get used to it. Difference of a number and 7. N minus 7 is 30. Add 7 to both sides. N equals 37. The quotient of a number and 25. Oh, sorry, a number and 3 is 25. Let n equal a number. Remember, quotient is division and you write it as a fraction. So a number divided by 3 is 25. Multiply both sides by 3. You don't need the parenthesis on this side. You do need it on that side. N equals 75. There you go. Not too bad, not too bad. All right, let's go on to two-step equations. Everybody's favorite. No, well, that's not really true, Bono. Here we go. Translating verbal descriptions into two-step equations. Sample 1. 6 times a number plus 5 is 41. Okay, create a let statement. Here we go. Let n equal a number. And then just translate it word for word. 6 times the number. 6n plus 5 is 41. All right. Identify the variable, n. Then move the constant to the other side. Minus 5 from both sides. 6n equals 36. Divide by the coefficient. Divide by 6. Divide by 6. N equals 6. Check. Evaluate. Substitute the original equation with the variable you found. Here's my original equation. 6n plus 5 equals 41. 6 times 6 plus 5 is 41. 36 plus 5 is 41. 41 equals 41, and it checks. Yay! All right, so that's what we're going to be doing, starting with let statements. We're going to write let statements, and then we're going to solve the problems. I don't want to check them, but I'm going to, because it's the right thing to do. All right, here we go. First one. Actually, I'm just going to write the let statement. Let n equal a number. 4, less than, switchers. That's a switcher. 2 times the number. 2n minus 4 is equal to 8. Add 4 to both sides. 2n equals 12. Divide by 2, divide by 2. N equals 6. Now I have to check it. 2 times 6 minus 4 equals 8. 12 minus 4 equals 8. 8 equals 8. It checks. Yay. All right. Not horrible. Could have been worse. You still have to check them. Here we go. The product of 5 and a number. Let n equal a number. So sloppy, Bono. 5n plus 3 is 23. Minus 3 from both sides. 5n equals 20. Divide by 5. And n equals 4. Here we go. Now to check it. 5 times 4 plus 3 is 23. 20 plus 3, 23. 23 equals 23, and it checks. All right, so they all checked. We good. One last problem. Let n equal a number. Okay, a number divided by 2, n over 2, then added to 6 plus 6 is equal to 14. All right, subtract 6 from both sides. N divided by 2 equals 8. Multiply both sides times 2. N equals 16. Yay. All right, now I have to go back and I have to check it. You're right, check so sloppy. All right, 16 divided by 2 plus 6 is 14. 8 plus 6 is 14. Yay, 14 equals 14, and it checks. That is not 14, there we go. Now it's your turn. Checkpoint 2. Do the problems. Stop the video, do the problems. We'll go over them. You stop the video, I hope. All right, here we go. Create a let statement, translate into an equation. Step 3, solve. Here we go. Let n equal a number. 2 times the number, 2n minus 7. Remember, less than switches the order. Equals 21. Add 7 to both sides. 2n equals 28. Divide by 2. And n equals 14. Yay! I'm not checking it because the directions didn't tell me to. Ooh, Bono, you should be checking. All right. -2 times the number. Oh, forgot it. Let n equal a number. All right. Plus 8 is equal to -12. Minus 8 from both sides. -2n equals -20. Divide by -2. And n equals +10. If you don't believe me, use a calculator. Trust it. A number y. Ooh, they told me it. So now I have to write, let y equal a number. Number y divided by 3. Y over 3. Then added to 7. Then added to 7 is 10 equals 10. Start by subtracting 7 from both sides. Y divided by 3 equals 3. Multiply both sides by 3. Remember, next to a number, no parentheses. Next to a letter, no parentheses. Next to a number, must have parentheses. Y equals 9. All right. Oh dear, you didn't see it. Let's just move that up there while I babble for a minute. Okay. On the next page is your homework. You can do this. Go slow. Read each word. If you need to look back at the classwork we just did, do that. If you need to look back to the page where it had all of the words and what they mean, this is a great reference sheet. Always look back on this page. All right, I will talk to you soon. Don't forget to do your homework. This page over here, just this page. All you're doing is translating. You don't have to solve them. Relax. Shh, it's good. I'll talk to you later. Bye.